No, no, you're fine. You're fine and you're not going out. Go eat your breakfast. Be a good kitty. Go eat your breakfast. Now he's not sneezing just because I'm trying to videotape you for you. There. That's what I'm talking about. He was doing it repeatedly. On the other hand, Gray Kitty is playing in the paper all by himself. Yeah. I don't know if he's spewing up mucus or what's going on. It's weird. He doesn't like me doing this.